Hello, friends. We have started with a new chapter that is occupational health, and today we are learning about the different types of pneumoconiosis. In the previous lecture, we learned about pneumoconiosis in general, how to prevent occupational diseases. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check it out. The link is given in the description below. So, let's get started. In this video, we are discussing the 5 main types of pneumoconiosis, that is silicosis, anthracosis, bagasosis, asbestosis, and farmer's lung. First, we will understand the different type of pneumoconiosis with the help of a comparative table, and in the subsequent slides, I will be discussing about its pathogenesis in a concise flowchart format. So let us first start with silicosis. It is the commonest form of pneumoconiosis. Silicosis is caused by the inhalation of free silica particles or silicon dioxide. The exposure can pass unnoticed because it is odorless, non-irritant, and insoluble. There are certain industries associated with a higher risk of developing silicosis, like sandstone, stone quarrying, granite, pottery, ceramic, mining industries like gold, silver, mica, lead, zinc, manganese, steel industry, and metal grinding. The incubation period is variable. It can range from few months to 6 years. On chest X-ray, it shows no storm appearance. The next disease is anthracosis, which is caused by inhalation of coal dust. It is seen commonly in coal miners. It is also known as coal worker pneumoconiosis or miner's black lung. The incubation period is 10 to 12 years. The chest X-ray shows there are multiple nodular opacities or reticulation seen on the lung. Therefore, it is also known as black lung. Bagasosis is because of a fungi known as Thermoactinomyces sacchari. It is seen in sugarcane industry, paper industry, cardboard industry, or rayon industry. The incubation period is 2 to 4 months. The chest X-ray shows mottling of lung or a shadow, and also there is impairment in pulmonary function test. The next disease is asbestosis. Asbestosis is because of chronic inhalation of asbestos. It is seen commonly in the cement factory, fireproof textile, roof tiling, brake lining, and gaskets. The incubation period is 5 to 10 years. The chest X-ray shows ground glass appearance of lower two-thirds of the lung. Heart shows shaggy appearance, that is without clear-cut cardiac margins due to thickening of pleura. Sputum shows asbestos bodies, which are asbestos fibers coated with fibrin. The next disease is farmer's lung, which is due to inhalation of moldy hay or grain dust seen in agricultural worker. The incubation period is months to years. The chest X-ray shows fine nodular density, diffuse airway consolidation. The pulmonary apical region is usually spared, and in between the attack, the chest X-ray is normal. Now let us learn about the pathogenesis of silicosis. Free silica particle, after inhalation, they are phagocytosed by the macrophages, in which they exert the cytotoxic effect. Macrophages, they undergo autolysis and death. Dying macrophages, they release fibrogenic factor, which causes fibrogenic reaction, resulting in deposition of collagen and formation of fibrosis and later hyalinization of collagen. Typical nodular fibrosis, size of 3 to 4 mm in diameter, which are hard and grayish, more frequent in the apex and the posterior border of lung is seen. As the disease progresses, adjacent nodule may fuse and form progressive massive fibrosis. This is precipitated by an associated infection such as tuberculosis. Anthracosis occurs in 2 phases. The first phase is also called as simple pneumoconiosis. This stage is categorized by little ventilatory impairment. In this phase, bronchial smooth muscle atrophies and there is dilation of the bronchioles, giving rise to focal emphysema. In the second phase, it is categorized by progressive massive fibrosis. Pulmonary hypertension and core pulmonale can develop, followed by congestive cardiac failure and premature death. Bagasosis is the name given to occupational disease of lung caused by inhalation of bagasse or sugarcane dust. Bagasse is a term applied to broken sugarcane after the sugar has been extracted. When there is storage of bagasse In hot environment, for a long period of time, it predisposes to growth of a fungi called as Thermoactinomyces sacchari, which belong to the group Thermophilic Actinomycetes. Asbestosis is caused by the inhalation of asbestos. This asbestos inhalation causes mechanical irritation in the lung, leading to fibrosis. The fibrosis is fine interstitial diffuse around the terminal bronchioles, involving the wall of the air spaces and usually in the lower half of the lung, followed by bronchiectasis and emphysema. There is also pleural calcification. Calcified pleural plaques are usually bilateral. It might progress into malignancy. The common malignant lesion is bronchogenic carcinoma. Less common is malignant mesothelioma of the pleura or peritoneum, often associated with effusion or ascites. Farmer's lung is a chronic disease of lungs due to inhalation of moldy hay or grain dust infected with Microspora feni in agriculture field. It is a type of extrinsic allergic alveolitis or hypersensitive pneumonitis, which is immunologically mediated disease of lung involving the terminal airways. During winter season, bacterial contamination of the hay, which produces heat of about 45 degrees Celsius, when the moisture content above 30%, and this heat encourages the growth of thermophilic actinomyces fungi, Micropolyspora feni, which is the main cause of farmer's lung. So let me know your answer in the comment section below. With this, we have come to an end of this lecture. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with others and subscribe for more.